Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Malibu. A combination of performance and fuel economy, the Malibu is a great commuting car and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes, ambient lighting, braking assist, airbags, front knee, cruise control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.